everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk to you about relay testers. We have a nice relay buddy tester here we sell at the 1A Auto site, and it can test several types of relays, a 4-pin or a 5-pin, and you simply move that switch over. So what you want to do is hook this up to a good battery, car that has a strong battery. Once it turns on, the light turns red, and that tells you that there's power going to the unit. You're going to pick the relay that you're questioning. In this case, we have a 4-prong connector, not a 5. So I'm going to make sure that that button says not 5, but 4-pin. Bring it on over. And I'm going to pick out the pattern that I have here. Line that right up. Push that down. Then I'm going to hit the test button. And when it's going to start flashing, it's going to flash about 5 to 7 times. And then if the relay is good, it turns green. Tells you that the relay is okay. If the relay fails the test, it turns red. Comes with a nice carrying pouch. Got a warranty card in there. So if you like this tool or need it, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.